4/125, he says visitation happened in the presence of unknown lady. Details were not disclosed. In fact, my lords would recollect, we said how she's sending her friend and the friend's entire biodata, LinkedIn profile, phone number, all of that is being taken. And my lords, in fact, even commented that these kind of things from a third party should not be taken. It is the same friend who is going on all other dates when advocate is not able to make it. Kindly see 4/1, he says visitation did not go well. Then 5/1, again he says visitation did not go well. Then 9/1 is the order of the last date. So therefore, it is not as if the visitation has not gone well only from the last date order for any certain issues. Next page, page 12. Kindly see page 12, para 3. He states, there are behavioral changes in my daughter. She was reluctant to interact with me in the presence of the respondent, her mother, or with the lady who comes as a third party. Now, my lords have seen that entire video, P4 videos my friend showed. Whoever is a third party is sitting like a mute spectator on the side. In all the videos, I have gone through every single video during the lunch break. Whoever is the third party, whether it is her mother, after my lord's order, her mother is not going. It is the lady. They are sitting like a mute spectator in a corner of the room on a chair. Then, para 4. It appears that my daughter is informed of CCTV cameras. Now my daughter has been given a watch and she appears to leave the residence after a certain period. Not in a single video post this. Anytime she's looking at a watch or anything, what's shown in the thing, in the end, on her own, she goes and opens the door and goes out. The third party is sitting. Third party just mutely follows her, which my lord saw. Now, I want to just show, kindly see, my lords, my affidavit. What has been happening? Kindly see my affidavit, which I have submitted today. Para 3, she has been extremely reluctant to go, which we have been saying even earlier, all the physical touching and thing was going on, which after my lords made an observation, that has stopped. Thereafter, my lords, may kindly see para 3, page 2 of my affidavit. Para 3.
Yes.
I state that minor child has been completely reluctant to go. She has been so nervous that she sits under the seat in the car and hides and refuses to leave the car when they reach. And just for a moment, my lords may see page 7. Page 7, how she is sitting. And if I can just show one video, just for about 20 seconds. And I will just show to my friend also. 1 minute.
No, that's the whole reason why the court is saying she required some medical.
Yes, counseling. That also we have produced. We are following that. My lords may just see.
How many months it will go on?
My lords, may I just.
You know what is when something is when she's all right one day, other day what is happening, and all the videos what I have seen.
Just now. My lords, I want to just make one submission. Ultimately, as a council, I think our duty of all of us is towards the child. Towards the child. It is not towards one parent or the other. Parents may have their own issues, but it is for the child. Yes. Ultimately, I see that as my obligation to submit before this honorable court. My lords may see just the photo on page 7. And if I can just...
Maybe is she behaving like how it suits the mother when during the
ultimately, my lords, the parents, both parents may do anything. The videos, in fact, she is not coming out of the bottom of the car.
If she is not coming, why is she playing with the father like that?
No. I'm saying, my lords, she is in fact, my lords may see just for a moment that photo at page 7.
Yes.
Where she is sitting, not even on the seat. She is sitting under the seat. And when they reach...
This photo is dated where?
This photo, what is the date? This is a screenshot of what date? 23rd Jan. What date is it? One of the visitations after the...
That assumes more significance with all the videos they have.
We will tell the date.
It is on what day?
Yes.
She might have taken in her phone. The date must be there.
What date is it?
2nd.
2nd Feb. Last Sunday.
Where is that 2nd
now,
Feb station? Let's
the visit...
That's the last visitation.
No. Now 2nd Feb, just for a moment, just give the same phone to... No. You just give the same phone. Ma'am.
Just take that.
Just hardly 20 seconds. Ma'am, my lords may just press the play. Just give it. My lords may just see when the mother goes to drop her at the bottom of the apartment, she's not coming out of the seat, under the seat of the car.
Who has taken this video?
Her mother, who's driving. Mother is in the driving seat.
For what purpose?
No, because she is not willing to come out. Then the mother has told her to go. She has gone. All the allegations that mother is on the same floor is completely false. She drops her at the bottom in the parking lot. Mother waits in the parking lot. She does not even come up.
This is one.
Okay.
What about?
Now, I will show my lords. Kindly allow me, my lords. Kindly see the same page, page 5. Page 2, para 5. Page 2, para 5.
Yeah.
Visitation on 11/1. I'm sorry, bottom of the page. Visitation on 11/1 Saturday. Last line I'll read. The securities at the main gate recorded on my gate my phone number and name of all the three of us. At noon, it was informed to me that child opened the door and came out. Then number 6, visitation on 12/1. 12/1/25, kindly see the middle of the page. The visitation started at 2:13. It was 2 to 5 p.m. the visitation. Visitation started at 2:13. Mid-visitation, my child opened the door and came out by herself at 3:30. Then on 16/1, I received an email from the respondent blaming me of making the child aware of CCTV in his house. So she has come out in about 1.5 hours or 1 hour 10 minutes. Then visitation para 7, visitation on 18/1, Saturday, which was supposed to be 10 to 12. Kindly see next page. I'm not reading the whole thing. Next page at page 4, in the middle. My child was sent inside the apartment with the third party from my side. My child opened the door and came out by herself at 10:25. Hardly less than half an hour, she comes out. When I asked her what happened, why she's back early, she didn't want to be there, she said. Again, I received an email from the other side. Sorry, it was 1.5 hours, not half an hour, because that day it was from 9 o'clock. Then number 8, visitation on 19/1. Again, the last, third, fourth line. I was in my car. I suddenly saw my child get into the passenger seat at about 3:13, which started at about 2 o'clock. So in about 1 hour, 10 minutes, she has come out. Next page. Visitation on 25/1. Visitation started at 10:11. And as for the third party, my child opened the door and came out. I saw her come running towards me at 11:03. All these places. I just want to.
No, for all the 3 hours, mother will be there.
No, she's in the thing. She's in the parking lot.
She'll be waiting in the apartment.
She's only in the car, in the parking lot. And all these.
Time it is like this.
Yes. She doesn't go up. She waits in the parking lot. And in the my gate, she takes the daughter and the third party, goes inside. She's in the parking lot. They go up. Whichever floor.
So the question is, the daughter who is so comfortable a week before.
No, she was not. With great respect.
Do you deny that videos or
so what I want to say about those videos, my friend has very intentionally the previous videos prior to the last order. In the last order, my lords in fact asked that the entire video should be submitted. So those videos are all 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Previous videos are hardly few minutes. In fact, the same videos, whatever the date my learned friend was reading out, 30th December, he said was wonderful. They made cupcakes or some video he showed. In fact, in my previous affidavit of 30th, I have in fact said in my affidavit that the father was forcing her to eat. And then the father said, please bring your own food because she was not eating in the house. And from that day, I started sending the food. That is my submission on 30th.
What is the solution?
So my submission is, my lords, my solution, I have a solution which my lords may consider. I have even been taking her to the counselor. Counselor has had many sessions. She's from Manipal. Kindly see.
I think the other day it was like other than that counselor.
Yes, we've gone to a different counselor. We have gone to a different counselor.
What did she say?
No. I have her report is there. Kindly see, her report is at page 10 of my affidavit. And I have just typed it out. Kindly see page 13. This is her preliminary report. Page 13. Arohi came back after visiting her father. She reported father and grandmother were very nice to her and they tried engaging her with toys, photos, videos of their recent visit or vacation, but she did not feel good in their company and left before time. She reported feeling good with the thought that the visit was over. She reported feeling good overall, but having unrefreshing sleep. She was assessed on scared and CDI, must be some technical thing. She reported having fear of ghosts and monsters. She reported feeling protective about her mother. She expressed her love and gratitude towards her maternal grandmother. Thereafter, again, at page 15, she reported seeing and feeling monsters in father's house when she was younger. Vivid fantasies were reported, reports to be attached. So it is still going on, and the reports are, she's still doing her assessment. Now, my lords, my humble submission is, at the moment, my lords have given visitation of 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday 10 to 12 and Sunday 2 to 5. My lords, mother has been sending her. We are seeing that the child is uncomfortable. Earlier, there was great physical discomfort because there was physical overtures being made, which we brought it to my lord's attention, and those videos were there. Now, also, though physically, thankfully, the physical overtures have stopped, but she is on her own coming out. Nobody is there. Even those videos can be seen. Nobody is tutoring her to stay and to not stay. She is walking out of the door. She's a child of about 7.
That she was not doing earlier.
My lords, she was doing even earlier. All the visitations were not of the full duration. Not all of them.
So now it should go on
now,
like whenever
now
she
my
wants to
submission.
come,
No,
come,
my
and whenever
submission.
she wants to go, she'll go.
Ultimately, my lords, can a child be forced? My submission is.
This theory of forcing the child and telling it that things will be done. Now, she is with the mother. She would say that she'll not go to school. She'll not do anything. Will the mother let her?
No. Mother is sending her. May I make a submission?
Child psychology, no.
Yes.
Please. This theory of child psychology only in case of this parents where they're at loggerheads won't apply. It applies everywhere.
Of course.
And particularly, mother cannot take advantage of the fact that
no one should
child
take
doesn't want to do it.
No one should take advantage.
Doesn't want to do so many things.
No one should take advantage. Not mother or father.
There should be a solution for that. And there are medical issues. There should be a participation of the father. The counselor should interact with the father also. Shall find out what is happening. When the girl who sometimes behaves like sometimes father is good, grandmother is good, sometimes she doesn't like, and she shows her over this thing to the maternal grandmother, and she wants to please her. No, we don't know what are all the compulsions.
We don't know. May I make a suggestion for my lord's consideration? May I make a suggestion? At the moment, my lords have given Saturday, Sunday.
And there is no meaning in giving the visitation for her to come and go.
Exactly. That's why I'm suggesting. My lords have given visitation Saturday 10 to 12 and Sunday 2 to 5. Instead of just coming and going and this whole paraphernalia that all the parents are doing, let the child be comfortable. The child should, of course, go for visitation, what my lords are asking. With the similar thing, let it just be one day of the week. Let it be either Saturday or Sunday.
So how does it going to change?
At least the child will not be stressed that she has to go for 2 days when she's not coming out of the car, my lords. My lords, I ask, I'm a parent. I only say, yes, the bonding. In fact, in so many cases, we have said that even when the child is not agreeing for developing the bonding with the other parent, it has to go, the child has to go, and slowly the child will develop the bonding. Yes, we have said that. But my lords, I just ask when we see these things where the child is hiding under the seat of the car, like a small little animal not wanting to come out. And she opens the door and comes out of her own, which my lords have seen. No one has tutored.
What is the help she's getting? What is the medical help she's
getting? She is undergoing, in fact, the counselor,
and what did the counselor say? What is her report?
In fact, the counselor is going to give the report in a week, is what I've been told. This is, she has already preparing, she has had several sessions.
What is
in a week, the counselor will produce
the father's interaction with the doctor, and it won't be done independently. Father can be
as of now, one minute. No.
Did the counselor see what is the daughter's reaction when she's interacting with the father? Did she analyze it?
At the moment,
is it not necessary for
no. Of course, we don't know technically. At the moment, the counselor has not interacted even with the mother. The counselor has interacted only with the child. Even the mother is not in the sessions with the counselor. She's having weekly
And
sessions.
this she's been doing it for months together.
No, not this counselor is after last order.
Then
because
we'll
this
pass
is
an order. We'll pass an order.
because this is a
Let
new
there-
counselor.
Let there be an interaction with the whatever that visitation is happening. That visitation, one day on a Saturday, that session shall be with the father, and let the counselor analyze what is happening between the father and the child.
May I suggest one thing? If my lords feel that the counselor should meet with the father, of course we have no difficulty. Counselor can meet with the father, father can meet with the same counselor.
No,
But meeting
father-
with the child and the father, my lords, here we are already in a situation where the daughter is uncomfortable. We are extending that discomfort for her. With great respect, we are extending the discomfort for her. The counselor can definitely interact with the father. She has in fact not even interacted with the mother. She has interacted presently only with the child.
It will not go on like
So-
what the mother wants it.
No, it is
There
not
is a
about the mother
procedure.
or father.
When the NIMHANS doctor said there is a procedure to interact with the child, there is a procedure for the treatment. And it is not forever. Just like that, the girl will come, they will talk to the girl and send the girl. Girl will say in her dreams she is seeing the monsters. So she stops seeing the monster in the
No,
dreams.
there
They
is
will
not. In fact, the
They should
counselor
know how
works
to-
with the child.